In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an IC Markets live account. It is super easy to do. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step what you need to do to set up your account and start trading using your live account. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to IC Markets either .eu, or you can just click IC Markets on Google, and then you'll just see the first option down here called icmarkets.com right here. And from here you'll get into your specific website right there, like so. Then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the right hand corner and go up to where it says start trading and click on this right here. Once you're inside of here, you'll see these options right here where you need to fill in the personal details. Once you get inside of the personal details section right here, you're going to need to go over to where your country of residence is. You'll need to add your first name as shown on your ID, your last name, show your ID, and your email address. You also need to add in your mobile phone number right here, and then from here you'll need to click continue. Once you get to the next level here, you'll need to tell you more about yourself. Here you'll need to choose your account type, either individual or corporate. Now if you are a corporate or have a business, you'll need to click the corporate right here and fill in the details, but if you do not and just are yourself, then you'll not just need to click individual and then add your date of birth, your full address, your nationality, and click whether or not you have several nationality and add your TIN code right here, which is also your social security number if you don't have a TIN code. Once you've filled all this out, you'll just simply need to click continue right here, and then from here you'll need to go over to the trading account configuration, where you'll need to be answered some couple natural questions about your trading experience in the past and whether or not you want to start trading using IC Markets. From here you'll add a review and a declaration where you'll need to post in your ID or a passport, and then you'll be able to open an account and start trading using IC Markets. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!